Dave.
Oh, he's coming.
We're wiring for the heater.
Alan Hunt.
Yes, he's Alan Putt.
You're wiring?
We're wiring the thermostat for the heater.
Oh, yeah.
Furnaces.
There was the guy, Mark Smith, here yesterday that was start doing that too. All right, so, all right, I'll come back. Crew.
Doing the thermostat.
Doing the thermostat wire. And so you got to snake it through,
Oh, I see.
yeah, through the blocking, bracing, the framing. So kind of stringing it through here. All right. And so this wire is going to control the heater. I guess it's going to control the heater.
The furnace, yeah.
Furnace. All right.
7 furnaces?
7 furnaces in the. Oh, are there 2 in the upper floors? It seems like there's one.
2 in each floor.
2 in each floor. Wow.
The furnaces aren't here yet, but
Yeah.
yeah.
They're all framed. They framed out the place where they're going to go, and
Right.
the ductwork's going to them.
Yep.
All right. And so they're threading this through the framing.